Hello students, the topic of the essay is my family. I have a lovely family. My family includes my mom, dad and my little brother. My mom is very kind and she makes yummy food. My dad loves to play with me and tell funny stories. My little brother is very cute and likes to laugh a lot. We have a big house with a nice garden. We like to play games and watch movies together. On weekends, we go to the park or have fun outings. My family loves each other very much. I am happy to be with my family every day. Don't forget to subscribe.